Welcome. I'm just going to show you how we use the Sasher collection to make our binding for the edge of the quilt. Because we all know once we've cut all of our strips to go around a big quilt and we join them together on the bias, we can stand at the ironing board for so long folding our fabric in half and pressing it. But if you use my sashing tools, this pack here, we've designed this specially to put the two sashes in there that make two different width bindings for you. So if you're going to cut your binding fabric 2.5 inches wide, you would use the 1.25 inch tool. If you cut your fabric strips 2.25 inches wide, you would use the 1 1/8 inch tool. And to use them, it is so simple. Cut your strips, join them all together to make you one long strip. Then you simply fold it in half, and once you've got it in half, just press about the first inch to 2 inches, and then grab your sasher. This green one is the same as the orange set, but this is out of the full set of 10, or you can buy them individually. The colour makes no difference. All we do is thread it up and over the centre bar. Then we need to pin this end that's threaded through into your ironing board. And you'll find the best pin to use here is the double fork pin. I just find if I use one pin or two single pins, it just doesn't work as well. Anchoring with the double fork pin, it just puts much better tension onto the strip of fabric so you don't have to hold it and burn your fingers. And you don't want to burn your fingers. That's why we've designed these. Fold your strip in half. I always have my middle finger in the middle of the strip. Put a little bit of tension on to the strip of fabric with the opposite hand to what you're going to use with the iron. Put the iron against the sasher and you just push along. Don't push down, don't twist the iron, just keep it going straight. And when you've done about 15 or so inches, take the pin out and reposition it and keep moving down. Just keep that finger in the middle, and it's very important to keep tension on with the opposite hand to what you're using the iron in. Put the iron against it. Don't push down hard because the iron will get dug into the ironing board. You're just going to slide it along. And as you get more practice at doing this, you'll find you're going to move this along very, very fast, which may mean you haven't got enough heat into the strip of the fabric, so you may want to run the iron up and down there a couple of times. And just remember, keep moving that pin, and you'll be so surprised at how quick you can iron your binding up. Then it's stitching it straight onto the quilt. The next video that's coming up is going to be how you can make a very easy, effective binding that has a little piping on it. And you don't even hand stitch your binding down doing it this way. So enjoy and come back and join us in the quilting room. We love to show you lots of things that you can do with our tools. So don't forget, if you haven't already got it, we've got our fabulous Quilt As You Go handbook that shows you all the different things you can do with the Sasher tools, how you can make your quilts quilt as you go. We have the most popular 10 sizes in the one pack. So we've got lots of exciting things. Have a look on our website. Go for your life and shop. Bye for now.